You get front of it. Come on, do that. No, stretch it first, loads of times. No, each side. And then you blow it up like on your head.
Come on, Joe. You get the back, what's it? Get off, Get the back, hold back. Get your thumbs in the No. You got it?
Yeah, over your head.
I need more room.
Go on.
Stretch it!
What? No, so it's going to snap. Go on, go.
It won't.
Well, maybe if your head wasn't so
Joe,
big.
you do it to me like you did it before. Just
Right,
go.
kneel down.
Wait, I want to do this one. Go. Come on, Joe.
It's all your ginger muff on top of your head.
Come on, Joe, you can do this.
Hold the front.
Which is the front?
I'd laugh if it snapped.
No, you hold it round edge.
Yeah, 'cause it really snapping.
Fucking hair.
I know.
Alright, now pull down. Oh, yeah, can't you broke it.
No. This bit's much stronger. Let's stretch it.
Don't snap it.
Get back.
Good job your knob's not that big.
You wish.
Why would I wish you're my brother?
Could set fire to that.
Do you mind farting in my room?
It's really fun.
Alright, go. Stretch.
Yeah. I look like Ethan. No, wait.
No!